Josefina and Renato to share with you our bannock recipe. We're hoping that you can make this from home. Maybe you can use a fire pit at a park, but the idea is to be outside and enjoy with your own family. Now that we can't be with other people outside, we can do it on our own, right? So we're gonna start our recipe by adding 2.5 cups of flour. Perfect. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna have my helper here mix it up. You can mix it up, Renato, mix it in there. Good job. So we're gonna put all the dry components first. Thank you. Now we're gonna have my other helper add the 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. And we're gonna have 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Good job. And you're gonna start mixing that. Mix that, Josefina. All together. Make sure it's all blended in there. Good job. And then last but not least, we're gonna add the water. Can you add it's 1 cup of water, so add that cup of water, Josefina. Guys, we're back now that the dough is ready. So what we did, we split the dough in approximately 4 or 5 pieces and make sure that it's all ready to put on our sticks. So what I'm gonna ask you to do, my special helpers, is to make a little snake. Once you start making your snake and it's ready to go, you can wrap it on your stick like this. So make sure that it's not too thick, because if not, it will take a long time to cook. So the bannock on the stick can take between 10 to 15 minutes to properly cook. And the way you know that this is ready is that it should come off easily. So are you guys ready to put it on your stick?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now that we're ready with our bannocks on the stick, we're gonna spend 10 to 15 minutes cooking it on the fire. Is this fun, guys?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, perfect. So it took us about 15 minutes to get it cooked. And so what we did, we just pulled out this one before so that you can see. And we cooked the sausage and put it in there. So we have lunch ready. You also have the option, pull yours out, Renato. You can pull it out. There it is, still hot there. And then get some cinnamon in there. Right, put it in the middle. You can see the steam coming out of that. Perfect. And then Josefina, how are you gonna do yours?
I'm gonna do mine with a hot dog.
Okay, pull it out. Do you want a sausage? Okay, let me get you one. Stay right there. I'll get you one. Okay. Get it in there.
Okay.
Okay, put it in there. And then we're ready for lunch. Okay, let's do a cheers with our lunch. Renato, bring it over here. So sausage or cinnamon and sugar, we're good to go. See you again next time, guys.
Bye.